English Learners Podcast. Listen, speak, and grow your English confidence. Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Fluent English Journey. This is day 5 of your 7-day shadowing challenge. Amazing job for showing up again. You're building real English confidence every day. This episode is about 8 minutes long, your full speaking practice session. Whether you are walking, cooking, cleaning, or relaxing, you can do this right now. Open your mouth, speak clearly, and shadow every sentence with me. Match my rhythm, pronunciation, and intonation. Don't pause. Stay with me until the very end. Before we start shadowing, I want to share a short story. There was a young man who dreamed of becoming a great artist. Every day, he practiced, even when people told him he was too slow or that he would fail. He made mistakes, many mistakes, but he never gave up. Each mistake taught him something new. Slowly, he improved. One day, his work was admired by everyone. The lesson is simple. Consistent effort, no matter how small, leads to success. Now you say it with me. Consistent effort leads to success. Even small steps create big results. Never give up. Keep trying. Excellent. Keep these sentences in mind as we practice today. Every morning, I wake up with energy. Now you say it. I take a deep breath and feel grateful. Now you say it. I drink water to refresh my body. Now you say it. I stretch for a few minutes. Now you say it. I prepare my goals for the day. Now you say it. I say one positive affirmation. Now you say it. I eat a healthy breakfast slowly. Now you say it. I plan my tasks with focus. Now you say it. Even on busy days, I try to follow my routine. Now you say it. Small steps create big changes. Now you say it. I focus on one task at a time. Now you say it. I speak clearly and confidently. Now you say it. I listen carefully to others. Now you say it. I enjoy learning new words every day. Now you say it. Faster round. Combine sentences. Every morning I wake up with energy, stretch, drink water, plan my goals, eat a healthy breakfast, and speak confidently. Now you say it. Every morning I wake up with energy, stretch, drink water, plan my goals, eat a healthy breakfast, and speak confidently. Small steps create big improvements in my day. Now you say it. Small steps create big improvements in my day. Consistent practice makes my English stronger. Now you say it. Consistent practice makes my English stronger. I focus, speak clearly, and never give up. Now you say it. I focus, speak clearly, and never give up. Hello, how are you today? Now you say it. I'm great. I practiced English this morning. Now you say it. That's excellent. Keep going. Now you say it. This is day 5 of your 7-day shadowing challenge. Remember, fluency does not come from perfection. Fluency comes from consistent daily practice. Every day you speak, shadow, and try, you improve. Celebrate your progress. If you enjoyed today's session, like the video, subscribe to Fluent English Journey, and turn on the notification bell. I'm Alex, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 6 of the 7-day challenge. Until next time, keep speaking, keep shadowing, and keep improving.